Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblockcorner.com, and in this video we will be doing a detailed review of Host Armada, and we are going to talk about its features, customer support quality and hosting speed. Without wasting more time, let's get started. So what is Host Armada? Host Armada is a cloud SSD based platform that provides 99.9% uptime and a super fast website experience along with 24 by 7 customer support assistance. Although Host Armada is relatively a new player to the hosting industry as they were launched in 2019, but they are quickly becoming popular due to their features, pricing and faster connectivity. Host Armada currently has 9 data centers across the world to provide a faster website experience to your users. Here is the list of their data centers. They have a data centers in Fremont, California, Dallas, Texas, Newark, New Jersey, Toronto, Ontario, London, UK, Frankfurt, Germany, Bangalore, India, and Singapore. Now let's talk about the Host Armada features. Here is a list of some of the amazing features offered by Host Armada. Free SSL for all the sites. You can also do the daily backups. You can also get cloud SSD storage if you go with the hosting from Host Armada. And there is a unmetered bandwidth, that means you are going to have unlimited bandwidth, and you will also get unlimited emails creation and databases, free website transfer, which is a very plus point, one click WordPress install, and also you are going to get the free drag and drop site builder, whereas other players going to charge for site builder like GoDaddy, web server cache, and many more. Are you ready to grab their hosting plans at an affordable price? Use the following link in the description to get started with their hosting at a 75% discount today. I'm also going to drop the special code in the description and also in the video. You can use it and get 75% of exclusively on your hosting plan. So now let's talk about Host Armada user interface. Here is how the client dashboard looks like. As you can see above, from their dashboard you can manage everything from your hosting billing cycles to domain services and so on. Here is how their cPanel dashboard looks like. As you can see above, you will get cPanel quick access functionality where you can manage everything from email accounts to file manager to backups to add-on domains, databases and so on. Next we are going to talk about Host Armada hosting pricing plans. Host Armada offers three pricing plans in its managed cloud SSD shared hosting environment, which are StartDock, WebWrap, SpeedReaper. Let's briefly talk about their plans along with their pricing and features. First one from the list is StartDock. This is the most affordable and cheapest shared hosting plan from Host Armada, which costs you just $3.99 per month, where you will get the following hosting limits. You can install one website, you can have 15 GB cloud SSD storage, you will get 2 core CPU, 2 GB RAM, unmetered bandwidth as I mentioned above, free domain register or transfer. Yes, you will also get the free domain registration or also transfer free without paying anything extra. You will also get bandwidth for 10,000 unique visitor at a time. Okay, you will get 7 daily backups. That's all about this plan. Now let's move to the next plan, which is WebWrap. If you are looking to install unlimited sites and domains, this plan is for you, which costs you around $4.69 per month and offers you the following features. You can install, as I mentioned, unlimited website, 30 GB cloud storage, 4 core CPU, 4 GB RAM, unmetered bandwidth, free domain registration, suitable for websites if you are having 60,000 unique visitors per day. For you will also get 14 daily backups. Another one is Speed Reaper. If you are looking for ultimate website speeds, this plan is for you, which cost you around $5.66 per month, and it provides you the following list of features: 40 GB cloud storage and 6 core CPU, 6 GB RAM, free domains transfer up to 5, and you if the website is if your website is having more than 1 lakh visitors traffic, then you can go for this plan. You will also get 21 daily backups of your website, and you will also get light speed web server and dynamic ls caching for your WordPress website to increase the speed of your site. You can also upgrade to any higher plan as your site grows without any hassles. Simply visit their upgrade center from Host Armada client area and pick the plan that suits your website needs. So now question coming in your mind is, how good is the speed and performance of Host Armada? We did a quick test on our website using Host Armada hosting, and so we will share the performance and speed so that you will get an idea about their hosting performance. Here is the performance remote from GTmetrix, and this is the performance of our website before migrating to uh, Host Armada from SiteGround, and this is the performance of our site after migrating to Host Armada. Keeping in mind that your website and performance depends mostly on the hosting data center you choose, so make sure to pick the closest data center where your target audience mostly browses and visit your site to provide them faster loading times. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Host Armada. When we will talk about pros, then we will be going to talk about their shared hosting plan, which just starts at $3.99 per month, and they are cheaper than many competitors. You will also get a free domain as long as you remain their customer for 1 year, and after that you need to renew the domain. You will also get free daily backups which are stored remotely, not on your hosting. They have also given you fully managed control panel, which is a plus point. They provide free website migration, which is a relief for beginners who don't know how to migrate, and other companies charge some dollars for migration. Now let's talk about the cons of Hostelmada. We only found one cons of Hostelmada, which is their promotional pricing plans, because they are only valid for the first sign up term. Upon renewal, the regular price will be charged. So it is better to go with their 3-year plan, which is 36 months, to save more on their hosting plans. Last but not the least, let's talk about their support part. How good is their support? They provide 24 by 7 customer support assistance in various ways, including phone, ticketing systems, and live chat. At the time of creating this video review, we messaged their customer support team through email, and we got an immediate response within few hours. So we would rate 9 out of 10 for faster customer support assistance. For their existing customers, they also offer free support by phone as well. Their customer support team is experienced, from website transfer to domain registration, SSL installation to cPanel assistance. They will help you with almost everything you want. To sum up, we were overly pleased with Host Armada, and we don't face a single issue with their service or support so far. The loading speed of our WordPress website was just thrilling. The uptime was more than satisfying. The support team even exceeded our expectations. I would recommend to all our viewers who are looking for a new home of their WordPress websites to try Host Armada. That's all guys in this video. I hope that you learned something from it. If not, watch it again. Please leave me some suggestion or comments if you have any in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.